G'day guys and welcome to another install video. You're here bagging it with the best. I'm Jacob, this is Benny, and today we've got a bit of a special guest here, don't we?
We sure do. Now with that being said, please welcome explorer, YouTube creator, the one and only Matt from Explore 4x4.
Yeah boys, how we going?
How you going, man? Good.
G'day.
Sweet, that's how you been, alright?
Yeah mate, not bad. Just got back from 8 weeks on the road, so
Bloody hell.
pretty keen for this.
How many Ks?
15,000 Ks in 8 weeks. So yeah, we're moving, filming every day.
Yeah.
But yeah, now it's time. Now I know what I want. I just got to change a few things on the truck, and then we'll be back on the road.
Sweet as well. Let's show you around the premises, grab the kit, and then we'll get stuck into the airbag.
Happy guys. All right, so the boys are just giving me a quick whip around the factory to have a look. Now the fun starts. I've just got back from 8 weeks on the road. When I'm towing, the back sitting down just a little bit much, and being nice and top heavy, it does ride a little bit like a boat. So the bags are going in. That should sort me out. I'll be able to adjust no matter what I'm towing, and hopefully it drives a little bit nicer too. What do you reckon, boys? 2 to 3 minutes. I'll go grab a coffee and I'll be back. All right, happy days.
Benny's just doing the finishing touches of the suspension there, ready for the airbag install. We've measured the full droop of the suspension. We've now got the airbag kit to suit. It's going to work perfectly with the travel of the vehicle. Let's get stuck into the airbag suspension.
Righto, well there we go. I've come back 2 to 3 minutes later. The boys have got the bags straight in. I can't wait to get out there and test it. If you're going to do it, don't forget, bag it with the best. There we go. Cheers, boys. Thank you.
Officially been bagged.
Officially been bagged. Whew. Righto, the verdict is in. The official results are I am an idiot and should have done airbags probably about 2 years ago. Massive shout out to the boys. This thing handles legitimately so much better. If you are top heavy, specifically if you're carrying a rooftop tent, do yourself a favour, chat to the boys at Airbags Man. I'm absolutely stoked, to be completely honest.